What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Oi. Yup, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. If you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share my video. Yes, my birthday is fast approaching and I've thought of a lot of things I could do. I find excited to shoot my birthday picture and edit them. I know there's a lot of things to do. There are a lot of activities involved. You have to style your hair. I already have my hair styled, so that is not a problem. I styled my hair into 2 buns and this is a natural hair blend bun. I have my edges set, as you all can see, and it's so beautiful. Let me know if you want me to do a DIY section how I achieved this look in the comment section, of course. Now I'm going to do my makeover. I'm going to fix my nails. I'm going to set up my studio. I'm going to shoot my pictures and I'm going to edit them. This sounds like a long list of things to do, but guess what guys, man's gotta do what man's gotta do. First thing I'm going to do is to carve my eyebrows. Yeah, my eyebrows are so bushy, as you all can see. I had a lot of remarks regarding it in my first vlog. If you have not seen my first vlog, it's still available on my playlist. You should go watch the videos. I'm going to start by carving my eyebrows. I'm going to fix my nails, do my makeover, shoot my pictures and edit them. So let's get started.